Well, I decided to make it a port day. We're in beautiful Curaçao. Beautiful, colorful Curaçao. Here's the port. Don't you love the colors? Oh, the colors are awesome, aren't they? It's a little bit of a rocky ride. We're hitting the tail end of a hurricane. Now there's another one forming. That's all right. I got my energies out. It's saving it for another day. Look. Okay. Look. Beautiful Curaçao. Let me turn it around. And here it is. Curaçao. Look at this. They're getting ready for Christmas. Wow. So different for me to see Christmas decorations in the Caribbean environment, huh? Crazy, right? Okay. Lots of fun vendors. I might have to get me a t-shirt, right? Here we go. Oh, that's interesting. 400 years of Jewish life on Curaçao. Who would have known? I had no idea. The oldest synagogue is still in use in the Americas. Wow. Wow, what a rich culture this is here. I had no idea. You know, sometimes as Americans, you know, we have the stupids when it comes to the rest of the world. That includes me, having the stupids. Oh, here's some great looking. Oh, I might need that flamingo. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's adorable. It's a little manger scene.
Inside that.
I love it. Did you see the little manger scene? Oh, I love it. See the buses? How cool is that? There's the ship that I'm on. It looks big, right? It's actually a smaller ship. It's only got 2,100 passengers. That's the Carnival Pride. Okay. So let's see. All right. Nice walk. Not too hot. Only about 1,000,000 degrees. I wonder if they'll fit. Too cool, huh? Oh, how awesome is this? How interesting, all colorful. All color. I love it. It feels like a happy place. To take pictures and video costs $10. Wow. Okay. It sounds really friendly. What a beautiful dress.
Taxi to the beach, private tour.
Gorgeous. Fun.
Private tour, truck with AC.
Doing what you're doing.
Hey. How y'all doing? I didn't see June. I didn't see June again. I'm gonna ask her. Did she get picked again? I don't know. I didn't see her.
So this is the port in Curaçao. It's an easy walk from the ship, not too far. Everyone's multilingual here. In general, let's see, speak Dutch, English, and Spanish, and papiamento. Huh. I didn't know that, papiamento. is the native language of Dutch. Huh. Wow, pretty cool. Didn't know. Well, it's always 5 o'clock in Curacao. Oh, that's awesome. I love it. Whoa, look at this. I might have to make a little detour. Okay, everyone send money. Well, that 20 bucks didn't last very long. Oh, here's a nice spot. Oh, look at that big thunder cloud. Such a pretty port. So the question is, do I make a run for it or hang out a little bit? Nah, it's just rain. What should I get a drink at all these 5 o'clock? Well, I think I'm heading on back. It's hot. Trust me, it's hot. Pretty port.
Well, I want to leave
What a beautiful language I'm hearing. All right, heading back. Ooh, those wooden belts are pretty nice. Okay, bye-bye, Curaçao. We'll see you next time. All right, back to the ship. It's a great place to visit. Lots of fun and color. Wish you were here.